go to this week's portfolio. Currently, it's worth 7.7k. Overall, using the including earned dividends, still we are on downside 5.72 down. And if you go to weekly, last week market went high up. That's why right now we are on 4.89% on the upside. If you go to each portfolio and we'll go to liability, where we have invested $1,000 in Tesla and $1,000 in TSLY. Right now, with the 2 months dividend included, TSLY still trails Tesla. Hopefully, after getting this month's dividend, it can surpass Tesla. Then we can go with the Tesla option. Going back to the activity for the last week. Monday morning trade, we bought $6 of TSLY and we invested $11. We got a dividend from QILD 6.39, another dividend from MAA 0.44, and another dividend from SPOL. So these are monthly dividends, and MAA is a quarterly dividend, 23.75. Top of that, Tuesday again I invested $7, and that went to our long-term share Disney $2, and $5 to TSLY, that is on Verizon Pi. And on Wednesday, whatever $7 invested TSLY, we bought TSLY, and QALD 6.39 dividend we got that we invested to Costco, our long-term share. Then from SVL we got 23.75, that is in the Regal subscription pie, that we invested to Lin. That increased our dividend from that we get from those. And again a $10 deposit, and we had a trade of TSLY $6. And we deposited $57. Out of that, $32 we invested TSLY. Again, $30 went to TSLY and $2 went to Disney. And after that, Friday and deposited another $10 and $189. So we'll invest that one on Monday. Also made some payment in the debt. If you look at this, like we borrowed 2,000, now we repaid around $340. So last week, from October 30 onwards, we paid $5, 12, 19, 48, and 147. So we this week on Friday I did a naked option on my other pair and I got profit. That's why I could have invested. I got some amount to invest in this one. Now going to our holdings. So as last week the market went up, our shares went high again. So the top best shares is Costco. Right now our average price is 516. If you see, Costco is current price is 560. Similarly, QILD, the second best performing, 2.895. Costco is on 8.53%. Then our long-term share Lin, that is 2.59%. Our average price is 382.62. And then the current price is 392.51. And let's go to our worst three performing shares. So TSLY is the worst third one with 11.17% downside. Our average price is 13.68. I got it reduced to 13.68 from around $14. Right now, TSLY, it is 12.15. Next one is MAA, 143.32 is our average price, and we are almost on 13.29 down. The worst performing share, TLTW. So I closed all the IEP shares. Right now, TLTW is down 17.14, and it invested. Our average price is 33.26. Right now, the share is 27.56. So that's a waiting game. On to our dividend news, JP declared a dividend. They reduced the dividend from 0.36 to 0.35. The pay date is on November 6. It won't impact much. Next one is TLTW. So their dividend they increased the dividend from 0.28 to zero point 0.4. So previously they were paying 0.53, then they reduced to 0.19. Now they're coming back to zero point 0.4, and their pay date is again November 8th. Onto our calculation, for onto our FAR calculation, we calculate based on January 1st, 2022. Our requirement was 5,000 per month. Right now, monthly dividend it's 160.87, and our annual dividend is 1930.44. So it's about to reach 2,000. That's a milestone. Actual portfolio start on December 1, 2022. So it's almost an year. Next month it will be an year. And with the trailing month dividend calculation, it's 142 right now. So the fire date is right now it's May 5th, 2198. So we came below 23rd century. Now we are in the 22nd century. And last week we saved around 393. So it's almost an year we saved. And fire dividend I received. So previously I was receiving 1 million. Now I'll receive only 995K per month during that time. So that's where I think myself as independent. At the time, my age is 213, and current monthly target is 5284. So 5,000 now within an year, it's like 5284 we need. So based on the age, like I saved 1 year last week. So right now I can retire when my age is 213. So going to our pie, TSLY, most of the investment went to TSLY. That's why 8 shares in TSLY. And the yield on cost is 80.38. Right now, Verizon, we expect 35. Right now, that pie yields generates 1.34. Netflix, we expect 15. So we can interchange these two. Maybe maybe we can add more TSLY here. So we'll think about it. Right now, Netflix $15 is expected and 32.4 we receives. And I have Xfinity, we have APD and TSLY. TSLY they generate 23.85. Costco membership it generates 6.56, and I expect only $5 because it's a basic membership. Once it reaches $10, it would be like we'll go with the $120 membership. Car wash monthly it is $10. It costs $10. JP and MA is a stock. JP generates 10.75 and MA generates around 0.15 per month. Regal subscription, current Regal subscription is 23.67. SPOL and Lin right now generate around 25.11 from Regal subscription. And liability, this was an experiment. TSLY and Tesla invested $1,000 each. Right now it's 904 and 931. And Disney, my long-term share, I invested $10 in Disney. Right now, it's worth 10.24. So overall yield on cost right now it increased to 25.18. So with more than 5%, I'd be happy. So whatever I invest, even if DSLY reduce the dividend this month, it would be more than 5%. And the total investment is 7665. Right now it is 7714. So with the trip shares, I see like this is like more than whatever I invested. Let's go and see the monthly performance last month, how much dividend we actually received. So we started on December 4th. At that time, my financial independent age was 467. It's 363. A gradual reduction in the age, small dip in DSLY dividend, it caused the increase. It would be hard to reduce so much from 467 to 213. Now it will be a small reduction every month. I hope I can reduce every month. On to the dividend. December 4th, it was $0. We received this dividend. Now the expected dividend increased as I started investing in TSLY. And right now it's 160.87 on November, and October it was 157.39. Our in actual dividend received on October 20th October is 107.33. So if we compare to July month I received 83.63. So it increased. That's what we expect. Every quarter, whatever we receive, it increased. That's it for the day.